I'll be interested to keep up with him. Alright, spectacular baseball number 4. All players on the right. Fresh case, last case. He's got a red shirt. Do you think he'll be good?
Don't buy Viagra or Cialis anywhere before trying this trick. It's called Friday Plans, and it's the only way to get 9 tablets of 100 milligram generic Viagra or 20 milligram generic Cialis delivered for
Bus Jr. That's awesome.
Let me show you. First, scan the QR code to go to getfridayplans.com. Then, you select if you need generic Viagra or Cialis. The quantity you need, I'll pick 9, and the dosage. I'll pick 100 milligrams, thank you very much. And then there's the quality. Look at that. 9 tablets of 100.
So, it's a solid role player. What is he, running back? Like Pops?
9 tablets of 20 milligrams Cialis are the same price. The prescription and shipping are free. Scan the QR code and go to getfridayplans.com. See for yourself.
Nah, that sucks. Ooh, let's do it. Look, everybody. Oh, he's a receiver. Huh. I'll have to keep tabs on him right next year. Kick it off with a little base green. Ooh, good star, Bo Jackson. It's a 1 of 3 rainbow. Oh, Bo Jack. Black Jack with the Bo Jack. Oh, I love this set. Next up. Just looks like flawless. Junior? Kid? No. McLean? So, Futures, 1 of 35. Dexter McLean Jr. Is that silver? Dexter Cello D. What up, Cello? It's a rainbow. Swatch 6. Ooh, Johnny Bench. 2 of 3 game used. That's fire. So rainbow napkin game used. All game used patch. This is so sweet. Johnny Bench. Cello back to back. Smart show. Second 3. So, Felipe Alou. It's a uniformity quad game used. So 2 of 2. Felipe. Related to Moises. Felipe Cello. Another one for you. That's it, bro. Ooh, we got multi. Look at old school, man. Look at that for Fox, Maris, Killebrew, Mays. Judge, McGuire, Bonds, A-Rod. Oh, that's sick. 4 of 10. Little baseball heroes. Whew, got a nice random there. All game used. The 30. Ooh, the kid! What a box! Oh, Griffey Jr. Sigs. This set is fucking awesome. Who's on the kid? Griffey Jr. Blackjack. Nice hit, Colin. He's love there for you. God, so killer. So killer. Ooh, 8-piece, 5 to take it down, no random necessary. Let's see. Sarah Judge, Colin, Alex Rodriguez, Colin, that's 2. Here's Barry Bonds, Colin, that's 3, 2 more. Jimmy Fox. Jimmy, Colin with Fox. Marky Mark in the Funky Bunch. Blackjack taking it down. No random necessary. Good closeout. Is it jersey? Why do I always miss the jersey numbers? Honestly, I couldn't tell you what Griffey's jersey. 24 out of 30. I don't remember. Is Griffey 24? 24 out of 30? I didn't think I could tell you what number Griffey was. Guess what? Obviously 24 for dressing, but
What are you doing today?
I wouldn't be able to tell you that before that. God, that stuff is phenomenal, man. Love, love, love. It's good. A box. A little spectacular number 4. Number 5 is up. One more. I think we have one more up for personals. Either way. Well, thanks for jumping in, everybody.